Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Phenotypic variation enables natural selection. Without color differences, lice could not be selected by host background. In this study, some lice are better camouflaged than others. Researchers standardized lighting to remove a confounding variable, since light intensity affects pigeons' visual acuity. This ensures changes in lice are due to preening against feather color, not visibility conditions. After 4 years, lice are predicted to match host plumage, mostly dark on black pigeons and light on white pigeons, because pigeons remove lice that contrast with their feathers. Camouflage lice have higher fitness, so over about 60 generations, alleles for matching color increase through differential reproductive success. This is adaptive evolution.
Driven by preening, causing phenotypic shifts in the parasite population over time.
Great job working through that. Remember to check each step and watch for sign errors. Practice more with Sovi to master this topic.